Hello everyone, we are the students of SR University Warangal. I am Vaishnavi. Our project is about student service chatbot. Our batch is 23 and my team members include Arun Kumar, Sai Dikshit, Paramjit and Uday Kiran. We are doing this project under the guidance of J. Bhavana ma'am, Assistant Professor in the Department of CS and AI. Now I'll discuss about our project Student Service Chatbot. So let me give you an introduction about our project. In the current world, we observe many changes that are taking place in education system. In this field of education, students frequently face some problems and have queries that needed to be answered quickly. Students may have to travel all the way long to the college to get answers to their questions, which is very inconvenient for them. Our project helps students to get answers to their doubts irrespective of the place and time in which they are present. This gives ease to the students and a very easy solution to the problem that they are facing nowadays. Now, let us move on to the coding part and the execution part of our project. We have used Flask so that we can combine both the front end part and the back end part together. Now just let me run and show the output screen for you all. So this is the output screen as of now that we have created. So as you all can see, firstly the chatbot introduces itself. We have named our chatbot as P8 bot, which provides us the information about the SR University. When we give an input or the query of a student, then it gives us the output. We have given the database to the chatbot related to some normal queries and the queries related to the college or university, such as academics or placements. And we have even given the queries we have even given the database related to some of the CGPAs of a particular students, so that we can have the output from that. So now I'll just show you some of the executions of the queries that are asked by the students and what the output that have the chatbot given to us. So let's move on. So as you have seen, when you give a formal input, then it asks us to call our name. It asks us how can it call us. That means we have to enter our name. I here took an example of a name called Shashank, and it greeted itself as a hello Shashank. Now I have given a query, like a general query that we intend to ask the chatbot, like who is your master, or who created you, in such a manner. So I asked a query like who is your master, which is basically given in the chatbot as a basic information. Now according to the database that is given to it, it gave the output to the student or to me that I don't think I have a master. So in such a way that when we give a question to the chatbot, it gives us the answer. So I just took a scenario where I asked about the CGPA. Then it asks us to provide the username and password. When both the username and password is provided, it just check the database and gives the output to us regarding the CGPA or the SEM-wise GPA to us. If I ask the chatbot to log out, then it gives us the output that the information in that memory or it is logged out, that the recent chat that is gone through, it will be cleared and we can trust the chatbot. And when we say bye, then it gives the same reply as goodbye Shashank. Now after logging out from the whole session, when we ask again about the CGPA, then it asks us to provide the username again. As the CGPA related to a student is a confidential matter, then we need to find out about the CGPA or the SGPA. Then it asks us the username and password. Other than that, when we wanted to know about the information related to college, we don't need to enter our username or password regarding those situations. Only when we need to access the SGPS or CGPS of a particular student, then we need to enter the username and passwords, as it is information related to a particular person. We have used Visual Studio for the execution of our code. Our database is stored the basic information, and the outputs or the hi bys, the formal greetings, the academic details related to some of the students, or about the branches or departments of CSE, AI, and the faculty related to those particular criterias and like that. So when we all the information that is stored in the database session, so that we can access to the information. When we ask a query to it, then it gives the output for us related to the query searching in the database. And this is the student service chatbot. Thank you.